Okay, here's all the attachments that comes with it, and there's quite a few here. You have 2 rollers. You got this one here, more of a softer feel to it, and you have this one here that I'm about ready to use here shortly for the main vacuum. Of course, you have the wall mount hook up too for the wall, and it comes with the screws. You have this attachment. I'm not sure exactly what that one's for yet. I think it's probably like for hair and stuff. And then you have a extender attachment here. You have your dusting or cleaning one, and your long dusting one here. And then of course you have your pole for the main one. That's quite a bit there, especially the 2 heads like that, the 2 bigger heads like that. Then you have the battery charger plug there, and then you have the main unit itself right here, and the batteries right here. I really like the look of this. I like the design of it. I like the color. It's really nice, and I'm going to put it to work here in just a second. Okay, this is it put together here, and I'm going to get some of this stuff off the floor here and show you. Okay, so the face tells you how much power you got and different settings for it. That's high, so that's about how high it's going to be. It's got that light down there. See? It swivels really nicely. Round and stuff there. I like that light. You can see the things you wouldn't normally see. It's not too heavy. And there we go. So, alright. So I started at 64, just that little time brought me down to 53. That was running it on high. Anyway, I like this. I like this vacuum. It's got good power. This floor was quite not good for wear. There's some ground-in stuff. But it did a really good job, I think. And if I look in the dustbin, I can see it did a really good job. I don't know if you can see that without the reflection. But yeah, this is I like it. The dreame dreame R20. And yeah, I like it.
This thing sucks. Why? Why? It's supposed to be in here, not down there. Oh my God. Let me go get my...
Got my adorable new vacuum, and I wanted to test it out, so I just like vacuumed my couch quick, and look at that. What? Ew.